Welcome to day 5 of my 7-day journey to strengthen your pelvic floor, diastasis recti, and umbilical hernia if you're postpartum and you need to strengthen your core safely and effectively. Hi, my name is Annie and welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. Join me and Elna on this lovely Pilates yoga with dumbbell to strengthen your core safely and effectively, utilizing Pilates yoga fused together and physical therapy to finally fix your diastasis recti, umbilical hernia, or you're in postpartum with C-section. Get your mat ready and join me. If you're new to my channel, my recommendation is for you to go back to day 1 where I discuss proper breathwork, breathing techniques to engage your core safely and effectively. So go back first before proceeding to day 5 to make sure you're doing your exercises safely and effectively. As we progress, it gets much more difficult and you want to make sure you are engaging your core so you're not restraining your hernia or your diastasis recti. My recommendation also is to see your local physical therapist and your primary care doctor before proceeding to any exercise program. So let's begin lying on your back now. Hug your knees. Place your hands behind your thighs. Slowly roll down one vertebrae at a time and breathe out. Grab the dumbbell. You can use canned goods or bottled water for absolute beginners. This is only 2 pounds. Place it on your chest. Slowly press up. Inhale. And then lift your right leg up to tabletop 90 degrees. Inhale. Exhale down. And then lower the dumbbell back down. Squeezing your core in. And then just switch to the left. Inhale, exhale. Do it 10 times. Squeeze your core in. This is day 5, so we need to recover from yesterday's workout. So we're just doing a lot of planking, but modified version that's safe for those with diastasis recti and umbilical hernia. Inhale, exhale. Don't forget your breath work. 5, 4, warming up your core, warming up your hips. 2 more. 2. Last one. And 1. Now we're progressing with leg extension. So as you do tabletop, inhale. Exhale, extend your leg. Toes pointing away. Inhale, bend. Squeeze your core in. Exhale, down. Switch to the other side. Breathe in, breathe out. As you press the dumbbells up, you squeeze your core in. 4 more. Left side. Extend your leg, bend and down. As you lower your leg, you lower the dumbbells back down to your chest. Inhale, tabletop, extend, and then back. Go back to tabletop first before you extend. Last set. Last one on your left. And down. Now we're gonna challenge ourselves by bending both knees to double tabletop. Now we're gonna slowly tap one foot at a time. As you tap right foot, place the dumbbells overhead. Inhale. Exhale, back center, placing the dumbbells back to your chest level as you lift your right foot up, back to double tabletop. And then switch to the other side, left foot. Tap as you place the dumbbells overhead, alternating left and right. Inhale, exhale, squeezing your core in. 8 more. Tighten. Belly button to your spine. 7 more. 6 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Now we're going to progress by tapping both feet now. Gently. Reverse tabletop. So you're tapping both, just the toes gently, and arms overhead. Belly button rise. And then belly button in as you lift your knees to your chest and dumbbells back to your chest. Inhale. Exhale. 8 more. 7. 6. 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now lower your feet down. Hold one dumbbell one side. So I'm starting with my right hand, extending my right knee, my right leg, with the dumbbells facing up to the heavens as I lift my foot up with my knee straight and tapping the dumbbells towards my knee. And then as I lower my foot down, I dorsiflex, pull my toes towards me. Slowly lower your foot down as I place my hand overhead. Inhale. Plantar flex, toes away as you lift your foot up and then tap the dumbbells towards your knee. Dorsiflex, exhale down. Inhale, up, exhale down. 7 more. Inhale, exhale down. 6, 5, 4, 3, squeeze your core in as you breathe out, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna switch to the other side. Bend your right knee, transfer the dumbbell to your left hand, with your hand pointing to the heavens, extend your left leg, and lift and tap your knee, dorsiflex as you go down. Inhale, exhale, squeeze your core in. Breathe in, breathe out. 7 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and 1. Well done. Now we're going to do some planking exercises. We're going to go to your hands and knees position. Hands level to your shoulders, knees level to your knees. We're going to start with planking with bear plank. So bear plank is something that you're going to lift your knees off the mat, just a few inches off the mat. So we're going to brace yourself, really press your hands down to the mat and lift your knees and keep your toes planted on the ground. So lift your knees up off the mat. There you go. And hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're going to feel some pressure on your abdominal area, and that's normal as long as it's not causing pain. If it's causing pain, stop, which means you're not ready yet. And you can always go back to day 1 before proceeding again, because everyone is different healing. We don't want to cause more strain on the area. This is modified version because it's still easy, but everyone, as I said, is different on their core strength. So let's try it again. All fours. We'll do this 5 times. Lift your knees off the mat. Keep your toes planted. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And breathe out. Don't forget to brace your core. Inhale through your nose and lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. And then we have 3 more. Lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. You're really gonna try to press on your hands as you lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one, my friends. And lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna progress by tapping our hand, alternating as we count 5 seconds. So we'll tap right and left while in bear plank position. So bear plank, tap your hand on your left shoulder, left hand to your right. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If this is too difficult, then just continue with just bear plank. Again, lift and tap. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. How are you feeling, Anna? You feel that on your shoulders? So it helps support your upper back. Let's do it one more set. Lift your knees up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And down. Well done. Now we're gonna do the side plank position. Knees bent to 45 degrees. Make sure your elbow is level to your shoulder. And we did side plank a few days ago on our day 4. Today's day 5. So you might be a little bit sore, But if you can't join me, you can. You're gonna grab your dumbbell for added progression. Remember, we did side plank yesterday, but with the dumbbell, we'll be in an extra support, extra challenge actually, not support, I mean. With your knees bent for 45 degrees, you're gonna lift your hip up and then lift the dumbbells up and then trunk twist in, inhale. If you can't do it with dumbbell, you can just do it without. We'll do it 5 times. 4, up, look up to the heavens. 3, up, twist. 2, and 1. And rest. And we are progressing by doing side plank again, but with side overhead reach. So lift your hips up, place the dumbbell on your side of your hip and overhead while holding that modified plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one, and 1. And down. Now let's switch the other side with your knees bent to 45 degrees. Elbows to your hips. Elbows level to your shoulder. Knees bent to 45 and lift your hips up. Lift the dumbbells up overhead. We're gonna start with trunk twist. In and out. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and 1. And rest down. You might find one side easier than the other, and that's normal because there's muscle imbalance in our body. Last set. Lift your hips up. Lift the dumbbells and overhead. 5, 4, hold that plank. Hold your core. Pull your navel to your spine. 2, last one, and 1, and down. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed my day 5 with a lot of planking and holding your core. How are you feeling, Elna?
I can feel my muscles activating.
Good. And it's a lovely core workout. Even postpartum is gentle enough for those absolute beginners. If you love this video, want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health and wellness, please subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this video. Every like you give to my channel, you are supporting me. And if you need my guidance and support, at the end of my 7-day journey, you can join my Revive Pelvic Floor Health for those postpartum, diastasis recti, and umbilical hernia who needed an extra support from me. And I'll be reopening my back masterclass. Put your name and email address and be part of my early bird waitlist for a first come, first serve basis. If you want more videos like this one, leave a comment down below or direct message me on my social media. Then I'll try my best to answer each one of you. If you have more time today, you can do day 6, or you can also do day 1 first if you haven't tried my program yet. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!